Hey guys, this is Sky495. I'm reviewing a really nice crossbody bag here. This is by ENKNIGHT, and I picked this up because my previous daily pack, I like to call it because I wear it with me wherever I go all the time, had developed a rather large hole. So I was looking for a good replacement on Amazon, and I had been through a whole bunch of them. I had to return some of them because they were either too big or too small, didn't have enough pockets, whatever. But this bag was just right, as Goldilocks would probably say. So let me just go ahead and give you a tour of this bag. So first of all, it's made out of nylon, which is a very water resistant material, so I'm able to wear it out during the rain and not have to worry about my contents getting wet. It has 3 main pockets and it has 2 side pockets. So the first one I'm going to show you is a little big open pocket, so this is where I keep my pepper spray or mace. And then on the other side, I have another emergency tool. This is a flashing red light, and I just tied it to just a strap hook on the bag. And then again, on the other side, there is more pockets, but there are now individually 3 pen pockets, so you can put either pens or mechanical pencils. I wouldn't advise having any sharp pencils because they'll probably poke through eventually at the bottom. Then moving on to the front compartment is the smaller 3/4 pocket. This is where I put a lot of stuff that I access all the time, like my car keys. I store that in the largest compartment in the organizer in this front slot, as well as my bike pro tool set since I am a biker. And it also is the most deep pocket in the whole front slot. The next is a little daisy chain that you could hook up your keys to, but personally I don't really like daisy chains because it just ties it to the bag. I'd rather have it free, but you can use it if you want. It's mostly made out of plastic though. The next slot I have my Swiss Army knife, that's the Super Tinker, as well as my 3-in-1 Baseus USB cable for charging my devices. I also have some minty gum for good minty freshness when I need to on the go. And then in front of that, to the right, there's nothing there, but to the left there is a zippered mesh compartment, and here I put smaller items such as my mini chapstick as well as some Listerine breast strips. And the one thing that I don't put in any compartment is my Apple AirPod with its charging case, of course. And then finally I have my regular keys on a lanyard and not attached to the daisy chain, but in this other zippered compartment here in the front, which is also quite deep. Next up we have the main compartment, which is this middle one. So this here has 1 side pocket, and there I put my power bank as well as my hotspot. Also, if any of you are interested in some of the products that I have in my bag, I'll put the links to them where you can buy them on Amazon in the description. Here I would also like to point out that there is also a good deal of padding in between the compartments, so it's nice to know that one thing, say my keys in the first slot, will not protrude into the second compartment. And another thing is that it has double zippers on almost all of the 3 slots, except for the main compartment for whatever reason, but the other 2 compartments do have double zippers. And now moving on to what else is in this compartment is my selfie stick and tripod hybrid. I also did a review on that very recently. And this is my wallet. This is the Bureau wallet, accordion wallet, and then my glasses in its glasses case, as well as my polarized sunglasses. And in the final compartment, the only thing that I use on a daily basis would be my phone. The other stuff in there are kind of things that I use every now and then. For example, my spray hand sanitizer, as well as some napkins, a small stick of perfume, also a small first aid kit, and microfiber cleaning cloth, an extra hair tie, and also earplugs. And finally, the 2 pen-like objects. One is a longer eraser, and another one is a multicolored pen and also mechanical pencil in one big fat pen. But as you can see, I have a little bit of a difficulty removing the bigger pen because the slot is not really geared for fatter pens. So if you want to put one of those sticker highlighters, it probably wouldn't fit very well. But now with everything out of the bag, you can see in this particular compartment, it has quite a few organizers. So it has 4 little rectangular slots. They're not very deep, they're quite shallow, but 4 of them along the left side. And then we got the 2, of course, pen slots on the right side. I really like the material choice, nylon, but also the color choice for the inside compartment. As you can see, it's this much lighter gold color that makes it much easier for you to find objects in, say, poor lighting or in the dark. Now talking about the strap, since that's pretty important as a crossbody bag, it is non-removable and it's also made out of nylon, I believe, because it's a very silky material. But I kind of wish they picked a different one because it just slips around a lot. So every now and then I find myself having to readjust the strap, and also particularly at the ends, it tends to not stay properly at its horizontal rectangular position. Sometimes the bracket slips around a bit, and that just gets pretty annoying. It makes it really easy for the strap to get entangled, and I would assume after a while of using this, I've only had this for about a month, that the strap might become a very high wear area. But other than that, I really do love this bag. I think this is a perfect size for you to bring along all the time. It doesn't get too heavy, and as you can see, it holds all of the stuff, all of my essentials that I always like to carry with me all the time. So I would highly recommend this if you're looking for something that's really functional and also has plenty of pockets to hold all your needs. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like. It'd be greatly appreciated. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, Skyforce95, if you haven't already, to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube, Skyforce95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Skyforce95. Thanks for watching.